Welcome everyone. This is Mundan Raghavan. This video we are going to see what is radial gradient in CSS3. In previous video we have seen what is linear gradient. It is very similar to that, but the gradient effect will be happening in the radial way. Just we will see in real time. Just submit to the VS Code and we will be seeing the index.html, which we used in the last videos as well. And basics.css, we are making the div styling just to make the styling something like a box effect. And after that, we are going to make the styling over that box by using the E1 ID. We will understand what is the syntax about the radial gradient. Generally, it will be giving the value for the background and radial gradient, open bracket, and you will be giving the which are the colors you want to make the gradient effect from the center. If you don't give any size, or let's say if you don't give any the shape of the circle, so it will be taking the ellipse way. For example, just we can save this and we will see the ellipse which will be transforming from red, green, blue from the center to end of the circle. Here you can see it is starting from the red and green and then it is slowly transforming to the blue till the end. So that means that we have created the radial gradient effect from the center in the ellipse way. Now let's say we will see the another type of syntax. So this way we can understand the second type of gradient. Before that, I will just let me command other things. So here you can see the background radial gradient. In this time, we are going to use the circle. At the same time, we are going to use the position also. Generally, the circle or ellipse will be happening from the center. Even you can make that in a different position like a top right, top left, center, center, center right, center left, bottom right, bottom center, bottom right. In this way, we can make the different positioning. So with this, we will just make the output and see how it looks like. Here you can see it is actually the circle center starts at the top right and it is starting from the red and then what are the colors we have mentioned. For example, now we have mentioned red, green, blue, the same colors. So it will be having the same impact. Even you can make the position like top left and see the output. Here you can see the circle starts will be considered as the top left. If you don't give anything, it will by default, it will be like a center center. Even we can make that as well. Let's say, for example, center, center, and save it and see the output. It will be something like this. Then we will see the next type of output. So this is the same radial gradient and ellipse at the top center. And we are seeing the different things. So we have seen the circle at the top center. Again, we will see the ellipse at the top center. Here you can see the ellipse portion, but it will be at the top center. So far we have seen only the gradient effect, but however, we can make the stripes also, like how we done in the linear stripes. The same fashion we can do the circular stripes as well. For example, here we can understand this syntax. It's a radial gradient and it will be having the radial at top center. So that means that we are going to create the ellipse from the top center. So that's clear. Then after we are mentioning from 0% to 33%, it will be red. So that means that only in that particular area, red will be there. Similar to the green, it will be 33 to 63 and blue starting will be 66 and it will be till end of that. So if you see the output, it will be something like this. So it is not like a gradient effect. It will be like a stripe so that you can make the different shapes by using the radial gradient in this circular as well as in the ellipse way. Let's make it a circle and save it and see the output. It will be in the circular fashion. So this way, even we can use the radial gradient to make the different gradient effects in the radial fashion. Let it be in the circular way or in the ellipse way. So this is basics about the radial gradient. So thanks all. Thanks for watching and have a great day.